Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Vossfamul 9000 BTU mini split AC/heat pump. Consists of the following features: efficient 9000 BTU cooling and heating. This 19SEER2 mini split system delivers powerful 9000 BTU cooling and heating, perfect for spaces up to 450 square feet. With advanced inverter technology, it reduces energy consumption by up to 43% while maintaining consistent comfort. The 115-volt unit operates quietly at 50 decibels, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or small living areas. 5 modes: cool, heat/dry, fan, auto, provide year-round climate control, ensuring optimal performance in any season. Smart Wi-Fi and Alexa voice control. Control your mini-split AC effortlessly via the included remote or smartphone app with Wi-Fi connectivity. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice commands. Adjust temperature, switch modes, or set schedules from anywhere. The 24-hour timer, sleep mode, and energy-saving settings enhance convenience while reducing electricity costs. Stay comfortable with seamless smart home integration. Self-cleaning and auto-defrost for low maintenance. The indoor unit features a high-temperature, 134.6 degrees Fahrenheit, self-cleaning function and washable filter, reducing airborne contaminants for fresher air. The outdoor unit includes auto-defrost to prevent ice buildup in winter, ensuring efficient heating even in cold climates. With minimal maintenance requirements and enhanced durability, this system delivers worry-free comfort throughout the year. Quiet performance and smart features. Engineered for whisper-quiet operation, this ductless system runs at only 50 decibels, softer than typical speech. Experience enhanced functionality including automatic system checks, rapid cooling/heating modes, and a backup function that recalls your preferred settings after power interruption. The modern white cabinet complements any interior style while delivering powerful, balanced airflow for optimal comfort. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.